Alright, so boom. I'm still in week one. I forgot to do this project submission. So this is like ultra basic. Uh, this is to make the dog move. Oh, I should have probably told you what it is. So dog, ball, dog touch ball, score go up. Time limit 30 seconds I put because I'm lazy as fuck and I'm not waiting for a whole ass minute. So each time the dog touches the ball, the score goes up. This I actually made this shit with that. There wasn't a function for me to change it by a certain amount, so I made up a function. So that was fun. This and all is basic. This is shit like other people have done. I just put them together to make it. So when I start the program, forever, this is called a loop. This shit's gonna run forever. If I press the right arrow key, it moves to the right by this much. If I press the left, it moves like that, right? So this is just for the controls of the dog, which I'll show later. And then also, I put up a custom variable called score. So at the beginning, it's at 0, and each time if it touches the ball, it goes up. Also, this update score thing, I had to make that up because it was not there for some reason. And then, after it touches the ball, it goes to a random position on the screen. So this is for the dog part. The basketball part is kind of simple. It is not that hard. The dog was kind of complicated. Oh, there was also this one I forgot. So when I start, a countdown, simple as countdown. So time left will be from 30, and this shit. I'm pretty sure there's a much simpler way to code this, but my brain's just stuck. So all I did is if a second passes, 1 second goes back. So it's gonna first set the time to 0. I think unless the time goes to 0, it waits a second and it deducts a second, which is super redundant and is gonna be slow as shit. But my brain cannot handle it anymore. So I just put a really simple part, but it's really messy. And then this is the basketball part, when it starts, forever. This was super fun. It took like a whole 20 minutes to figure this part out. Till, time limit is 0. That is a whole operator function which is inside an operator function, an and operator function which is inside another operator function, which is the score variable, which is inside this if statement, which is inside the forever statement. So yeah, this was fun. And then yeah, so until time is 0 and score is greater than 15, if both these conditions are true, you win. I also wanted to do one for you lose, but I tried and it was super hard and I was not figuring it out, and it's 12 o'clock and I give up. So yeah, uh, that's how it works. And after this is done, it just stops all the programs because random moving screens are kind of bad for my frame rate. And for the ball, once I start the program, it just goes to a randomized position, and let me show this. Yeah, and it picks a direction to move in. From 1 degree to 360 degree, any one direction, it moves in that direction. Forever, 10 steps. But if it goes beyond the screen, that's a huge problem. So if it touches the screen, it teleports to a random position so that it just doesn't go flying away somewhere. Let me just show you how this works now. If I click start, wait, that was the residue of the old one. Yeah, this is how it works. Arrow keys, move it up, down, left, right, and all that. If I touch the ball, score goes up. This is the timer, it's counting down. And also when it touches the ball, it barks because my life was not miserable enough as it is. So yeah, real. I wish I could do something more fun, but it is due today, and I procrastinated far enough. So yeah, you win, and it stops. Yeah.